children, today let's start with chapter number 3, that is Formula and Function in Excel 2016. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the Microsoft Excel, different data in the Excel. So let's study about data type. Data type is the type of data that a cell can hold and perform operation in Excel. It accepts various types of data. What are the some common type? We have text, जिसमें आप करते letters, number and some special characters का use कर. Numbers मतलब जिसमें आपका whole number, integers और decimal number सब तो use करती. Date and time जिस आपका time और specific data type को recognize करते हो. और ball and value logical value है जो either true हो सकती है और false हो सकती है. Right? Next is Excel formula. So what are formulas? Formulas are the expression जो क्या perform करता है calculation on values in cell, range of cell और even entire column and row. ये combinations होता है operators का, functions का और cell differences का. Like we have addition A plus A1 plus B1, subtraction A1 minus B1, multiplication, division and exponentiation. Right? Now steps to write a formula. What are the different steps? You will launch Excel and open the worksheet. Type some data in different cells. You will click on the cell where you want the result of the formula. जहाँ पे आप चाहते हो result formula. Right? Click on the cell. Now type equal sign to indicate that you are entering formula and you will type A1 plus A2. Or alternatively, you will select cell A1 or what you will do? You will press the plus sign and select all A2. Press enter key and the output will be display. आप देखेंगे कि जो output है वो display हो जाएगा. Now function, it is a predefined formula जो क्या perform करता है specific calculation. It allows you to perform complex operations without having to write actual mathematical formula. आप actual mathematical formula लिख के भी नहीं क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको लिख सकते. Now you can use function to perform mathematical, statistical and logical operations. Next is syntax. Function in Excel are typically written in the format function dash name argument 1 argument 2. Now here each parts represent what? Equal sign indicate that beginning. Function name, this is the name of function. Argument 2. For example, to add two number in the cell A1 and A2, the function will be written. How? How to enter function? You will enter the function typing directly in a cell or formula bar or navigating the formula to select function from one of the function category. Now sum function क्या है? ये most commonly mathematical function है जिसको हम use करते हैं where you have to add the different values. जब आपको different values को add करना है. You will go to cell where you want the total to be displayed. Now you will type sum in the cell E2 and click and drag the select range of cell. Now the formula in the cell E2 showed sometime like sum B2 D2. You will press and the result will be displayed in the cell E2. We will select cell E2 by right clicking on the cell and you will click on copy and click and drag to select cell E3 to E cell. Now average function when you have to return to the arithmetic mean. किसी specified number के arithmetic mean पे आपको जाना है. Now go to the cell where you want the average to be displayed. Like average, click and drag to select the cell. यहाँ पे आपके marks होते हैं B2, C2 and V. The formula in the cell F2 should now look something like this. Press the enter key, the result will be displayed. Now select the cell F2 by right clicking and you will paste from the option of paste. And like this, different option will be placed. This is the formula of copying and pasting the cell. Next is count function. The function it is used to count total number of cells that contain numerical values. Like syntax of count function. Example, the count cell that contains numerical value. हम क्या use करते हैं? Count C2 ratio C7. Then we have count function. If you want to count all the cells with any type of data, what you can do? You can use count function and it does not include blank cell. इसमें किसी भी तरीके का blank cell नहीं लिखता. Now count blank function. The number of blank cell present in the name of the cell. वो आपको count करना है. Then we have if function when it is used to perform कोई logical comparison करना है, कोई decision based comparison करना है. इसके लिए हमारे पास 3 पैरामीटर है. Logical test and condition जिसमें बताना है आपको whether the statement is condition is true or false. Value that will be written if the condition is true. It is the logical test that evaluate. Value that will return if the condition is false. ये भी आपका logical statements को evaluate करता है to false. The value that will be written. Right? And here the example has been given. of the worksheet. अब देखेंगे आप G2 पे जाएंगे. This is G2. टाइप द फंक्शन. आप फंक्शन टाइप करेंगे F2 is greater than 50, पास और से. ठीक है. जैसे आप लिखेंगे तो यूर प्रेस एंटर की और आपको यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले होगा कि वो पास है. राइट. दिस इज द फंक्शन. Next is left function. The function in the text manipulation. It is used to retrieve specified number of character from the left side. We have two arguments. First, where the text is located, and the second argument when number of characters is retrieved. Right? So we can say in the given worksheet, if we want to extract first three character from the name, what you have to do, you have to follow the steps. Like this you can see here. You will go to cell E2. हम E2 पे गए, type करा function, whatever the function you will write. And like this you can see the press the enter key and the select. आप देखेंगे result यहाँ पे Ram, Shai, Mook, like this first character or first three character will appear. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will do the exercise. Now first is fill in the blanks with the help of word. यहाँ पे आपको different words given है, options given है. From there you have to. The dash is used to perform calculation based on specified value. That is function. Dash is used to indicate start of every function, that is left. To do addition of range of cell, you can use dash function. आपको addition करना है तो addition means क्या होता है? Sum होता है. तो आप sum वाला function है. To count the number of cell that contains number, you can use what function? Count function. If the function is an example of dash comparison, that is logical. There are dash number of parameters that can be used in if function, that is 3. Left function takes number of parameters. कितने होते हैं? 2. Dash function is used to count the number of blank cell, that is count blank. To count cells with type of data, you can use dash. You can use counter function. A dash function is used to display specified number of characters from the left side of the string, that is left. Now write T for true and F for false statement. We go to addition of range using count function, that is false. हम कौन सा function use करते हैं? Sum function. While using if function, first parameter is the condition which you want to check. It's true. Left function is used to extract character from the middle of the string. False. Average function is used to return arithmetic mean of the specified number 3. Every function start with equal sign. It's true. सारे function हमेशा equal sign से क्या होता है? Start. Now objective type, answer the following question. What is the, आपको difference लिखना है formula और function के बीच. Write two functions name. आपको दो function के name बताने. Sum function, blank function. Write down the difference. आपको count और count दोनों functions के बीच में difference लिखना. Then you have to explain the usage of sum, average, left and if. This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.